Hello everyone and welcome back to the series where we are modeling a Chinese food stand. Let's start straight away. The first thing we're going to do is go into color mode, so where we can see the colors. So click on this, everything should go white. It's okay, so you don't have to worry about this. It is a bit annoying in a case because it does make everything a little bit badly colored. So I just want to show you quickly. So this is how we're going to be coloring it. So we're going to color it down this menu here. We're going to add a color and then we're going to do all that to all these objects. We're going to give it wood color. We're going to try and make it look very nice. Okay, let me just do that again. Okay, so go back into this mode. So go back into solid mode, so it's like just a solid grey picture where we can see all the lines. Okay, so what we're going to start with is the little stuff. So all the stuff that we needed last tutorial, that we needed to make for the final cut, we're going to make now. So the first thing we're going to do is make one last bigger object, which is a drawer where they're going to keep all the cutlery in. By adding a cube like this, moving it up just like that. I'll show you how to do it. So you're gonna click like this, just add a cube and drag it in here, move it up a bit, drag it onto here, should be on the wall about like that. Okay, then move it up maybe a little bit more, just trying to see what size. Yeah, it's a good size, so keep it to this height. Move this thing and extend it a little bit. Okay, like that. Then what we're going to do is we're going to add a bevel. So we're going to add a bevel on to the corners like this. Add a couple loop cuts just to make it a little thing, and then apply it. Just make it into a little bit beveled. It's nice using the bevel tool. And then applying it, and then go into edit mode, click onto the front face here, and then click E. It should be already enough. By scrolling, by the way, you get it correctly. Put it back a bit to like here, yeah, like that. And then what we're gonna do from here, I think I'm gonna click I and insert literally a centimeter, and then we're gonna scale this down to about like, wait, what have I done? Okay, there we go. It's like here, and we're gonna move it forward, and then we're gonna press E to extrude it, move it all the way up to here, and then what we're gonna do, we're gonna click Alt. We're gonna try and select the, wait, why is it selecting this? Okay, wait, this is weird. Doing weird stuff now. Go back. Wait. Let me do that again. Click E to extrude. Maybe just do it till here this time. Now click Alt. Why does it keep on selecting? Because it's connected. I completely forgot. That's why we need to disconnect it. So select this side, that side, well, this top side here, and now select the, well, by going inside the object, select. Okay, there isn't any of that face there. Okay, just okay, if I drag this to the side, yeah, this is all. So this, then what you want to do in this case, this is a cool thing, click P, and this is to separate it. Click selection, and now go into back into object mode, click on this one, go back into edit mode, and this should make it into our object we need. Okay, wait. Okay, there we go. Okay, there we go. Okay, so from here, what we're gonna do, we're gonna move this. Oh wait, wait, go back out of this mode. Okay, there we go. Okay, now we have this little object here. We have this face with this object. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna select this two corners here and click F to create a face, and we're going to select these two corners, click F to make a face, and these two bottom corners to click F to make a face, and just do that on those four corners, and that's it. It doesn't matter if it has a little bend here, but yeah, anyway. Let's try set origin to geometry. So this will put it in the middle here, and then what we're gonna do, gonna move it up a tiny bit, and then we're gonna rotate it a bit more, just a little bit, and then we're gonna move it up to about here. Doesn't really matter, doesn't have to be so precise. And then click on this face here. Oh, hello. Oh, it's in edge select. Go out of edge select, do this, and then click I to insert, like that, about, move it down, then click E to extrude and scale it, and then click E, and then click scale again, E, scale it down, like that. So that's how it should look, just like that. I think that looks pretty nice. I wouldn't change it. Just click Alt and this, like this, yeah, and then click B to bevel it on the side, and give it quite a big bevel, like that much about. So that looks good. So yeah, let's just leave it like this, maybe move it a little bit more forward. Okay, let's just leave it like that. That's good enough for now. Oh wait, there's one thing. Here in between these two there's a cut, so we're going to select this face and that face, not that one, then click F. There we go, now we have our face that we needed. Okay, now it looks good, now it looks really nice, I find. Yeah, this looks nice. So let's just make it about like this maybe, and this is good, just to model it out. And yeah, so our next thing we're going to do is make the plates, because that's the thing that's very useful. So going to the add thing and add a cylinder, because it's round and would fit perfectly as a cylinder. Shade auto smooth it to make it look a bit better, smoother, because yeah, it looks nicer. And then let's click on here, move it down, then select this right here, click S to scale, just move it this up a bit, and then click E one more time, then Alt to select the ring, and then click E, then click Alt S and move it out, move it up, scale it by Z down to make the corners a bit, and then what we're going to do is we're going to do Command B to bevel it to make it a bit more beveled, look realistic, more realistic. Then do the same on the middle into the plate, and then slightly move this, and then do again a bevel to again smoothen it out like that to make it a bit more smooth. Wait, select. Oh wait, what did I do? That doesn't matter. Click here, click Alt, select this ring, and do Command B on this one as well to make it even more smooth, like that. So this is our little Japanese plate. I think it looks very nice. I wouldn't change it for now. I think this looks good, yeah. I think, yeah, we don't need a bevel there. Okay, let's leave it like this. Shade auto, wait, sorry, shade auto, I mean set origin to geometry, like that, so it's correctly done. And yeah, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna shift D, select this, and then we're gonna move it up here. Oh, okay, there, go up here into our lovely drawer, so about the middle. It is too big, but it doesn't matter because we can just scale it down. No one will see that detail, okay? No one tell anything about to Blender, okay? Be quiet. Don't tell anyone about this. I'm cheating, okay? It's called cheating. Okay, let's move this up. So, like this. Good. One last adjustment, scale a bit more, because the bigger it is, the better. And this is good, yeah. Okay, I'm trying my hardest not to say yeah anymore. It's so annoying, I guess, to you guys. I'm sorry about it. It's just my way of saying, agreeing, and making sure everything's okay. So, no yeah. Oh, I said yeah again. Oh, I said it again. Okay, I need to stop. and need to stop with jokes. Okay, let's put it like this, like these four, and click Shift D. So do this on these and try to get this like that. And then one more time. Oh, what did I do? Okay, there we go, Shift D. And just select it. Select all four then. Yeah, this is good. Okay, nice. Select all of them. So just go select all those plates. And then we're going to duplicate them like this. Shift D, move them to the side. And just scale them down like that. Okay, like this. Good. Those are our two plates. They're in the drawer. I think that looks very nice. Now let's just do this plate here. Move it down a tiny bit. That's too much down. We're not going down, are we? Like that. So they're about this size here. And then we're gonna just scale it down a little bit because it doesn't need to be so big. Check if it is 9. Yeah, it is. Now Shift D, move this over here. Shift D again, and move it over here. What I am trying to do the thing as little as making it as laggy as possible, because the more stuff we add and the more like little details, the more laggy it gets. And obviously lag sucks, so we don't want to have that. So that's why I'm trying to be fast with what I do, because over time it seems to do it more and more. That's why I don't like doing that. So yeah, okay. Instead of yeah, I need to say okay. Okay, so let's make our chopsticks as our dishes, like our things that we eat with. Okay, I think I'm gonna add a cube for this. Yeah, the cube's good enough for now. Like this. So we're gonna try and make little chopsticks out of them by just scaling it down very much so. Then clicking on this bottom vase like this, like that. Clicking E to extrude about here, and now clicking E again to extrude till about here. Now scale this bit down at the bottom to like there, and then click Alt on this ring of faces here, and then do Command B until about it gets glitchy. Okay, there is a fly in here right now, and it is annoying me. I don't know where the heck that thing came from. I do not like them. I don't think anyone on this earth knows why they are on this earth in the first place. Yeah, they're annoying as heck, as you know. Yeah, everyone knows that they're annoying. Let's not talk about flies, will we? Okay, Shift D, if you've made this extruded, then bevel it like that. Then push it to the side, click on these two, and then do Command J. Wait, no, I need to change that. Ooh, wait, this little detail, minor detail warning, minor detail. Okay, wait, let's deselect these two, click E and extrude. There we go. Go back out to edit mode. There we go. This looks good. These are better chopsticks than I thought they would look. They're right proportions, and yeah. And okay. That's what I'll be saying. Get out of here, fly, otherwise I will get the fly killer out. You don't want me to take it out, buddy. You don't. You don't want to see what I can do with that thing. It's a monstrosity. Yeah. Anyway, I need to stop saying those things. Oh my god, I'm addicted to yeah. Okay, so now we are going to duplicate. Bing, boom. Just Shift D, and just try to duplicate about just like this for now. This is good enough. Selecting them three, move them over here. Then what we're gonna do, we're gonna add a bada bim bada boom. I think we're gonna add a cylinder. That was just a I've selected everything else. Okay, let's select you, little buddy, down here. Move you up. Move you to the side. Shake it all about. Okay, I just had to say that because it's funny. Anyway. Okay, let's go and put this ski. So just scale it down. Scale it up. Scale it in again. And scale it up again. Like this. Then do right click. Auto smooth. And then let's move it down. I think we're gonna tab, go into edit mode, click this face up here, do Command B for fun because I think it looks good. Oh my god, I can make a missile out of this. I didn't know that. That's funny. Okay, so let's get this. Then click E, so just extrude like that. And wait, I didn't see. E, extrude till about here, so you can see it still pops up. It's about the height, and yeah, I think we're gonna do on these ones as well. Okay, like this. This is good. Okay, wait, this face down here does now have a bevel on it, which is good. Okay, we should move this up a tiny bit, about there. And shade it with smooth. Oh, you can't. That's fine. Select the 3 chopsticks. Wait, let me just check something. Move it down. Check the height and the size. Yeah, this is good. I just wanted to make sure it's in line with the plates, so it's not too big, not too small. And let's just move them into the bottom. Until the bottom of the jar. Okay, 100% made this jar way too big, way too tall. Let's just select this. I think I'm just gonna click scale, but we'll get out of edit mode while I'm in edit mode still. Scale it down. Yeah, about this size is good. That's nice. It's very good, very nice, as you like to say. Very good, very nice. Certainly. Okay, let's try and again align it up. That's good. It's a good height for the chopsticks. Little choppy choppies. Little choppy choppies. I'm actually really good with chopsticks, I gotta admit. That's one thing I gotta say. Okay, it's one thing a man gotta say he's good with. I'm good with chopsticks. I think many people know. Well, all my family members and everyone knows that I'm good with chopsticks, which is good. People like, I'm so terrible at chopsticks, using them. Well, I'm good. I'm not bad at with using them. Okay, let's just see how we're gonna move this over here. Wait, let me check something. So till this edge, yep. Just so I have about an example where I can do it to. Just to know, I'm gonna rotate these a little bit. Same as this one, a little bit more. Select this and move it like this, just about that. Okay. Now let's select these 2 or 3. I mean, wrong number. Count, man, count. Think. Okay, let's rotate them like that. Move them here. Select them. Bum bum, bum bum bum. And rotate like that to put them in the right place. And move them like this. Select this one, X delete, this one, X delete. Nice. Okay, now let's select these ones and do the same thing like this. Shift D. Move these 2 right in like that. Move this one right in like that. Move this one right in right here. Right now, going crazy. What am I saying? I don't know. Don't ask, please. Okay, anyway. So let's just get all those copied ones and okay, wait. Let's just delete that one. Do I have a second one? This one? Okay, good. Okay, let's boom, bada bim, bada boom this one. So move it over here, bada bim, bada boom. So I said that's bada boom this one, because I'm going to say bada boom while doing it, weirdly enough. And let's select all of our lovely choppy choppies. Choppy choppies! What's up, choppy choppies? Yeah, it feels a bit weird to say, honestly. Okay, why are they all different heights? What the heck? Wait, what happened? They're all different heights. They should all be the same height. Why are they all different heights? Why? Wonder, explain, please. Okay, it's fine. I don't know what happened. Probably someone in the comments can tell me what happened. I honestly have no idea. Set origin to geometry. Just combine them by clicking Command J. Keep them like this, and then select this. Move it over there like this. Oof. Taking a little bit of time, buddy. Okay, there we go. Okay, this should be perfect, like that. Now we're gonna Shift D. Move this one over here. Okay, like this. Select this one. Okay, nice. Now let's do the same over here. Move this over first so this fits. That's my weird noises. Don't ask why I make them. Okay, like that. Move it to there. One over there doesn't feel nice. It just feels more centered this way, if you know what I mean. Yeah, this is nicer. Okay, let's keep it like this. So, yeah. So, no yeah. Okay, it's just so. That's it. No yeah, just so. The next thing we're gonna do is, if you can guess it, make pans for this place over here. And how we're going to do that, we are going to go over here and click add, so like this. So wait, there we go. Okay, we're going to add a cylinder and we are going to move it up like this. Wait, scale it down to about here. One thing I want to say is we should actually scale these down a bit because they are a bit big. Gotta admit. Yeah. Whoa. Said it again, eh? Said it again. Okay, select all these and scale them down. Move them up. Move them to the side. Dance around like a chimpanzee. Why did I say chimpanzee and not a person? Just dance around like a dancer. Okay, that's all I can say. And keep it like this. So like that. Yeah. Okay. Ooh, I said it again. And scale this down to about scale up again. Scale down. Scale. Okay, scale till about. Okay, I'm just trying to think of a good height here. And now select the ring of vertices around here. Click E, click S, and click E, click S, and then wait, why did I click S? I shouldn't have done that. Wait, scale. Wait, go back. Click E, then do Alt S. There we go. That's the right button. And do E. E, Alt S. Okay, that's just, I didn't do E. E, Alt S. There we go. Now let's do the thing that I wanted to do. E, Alt S. Wait, E, Alt S. Move it up a bit more. Then do E, Alt S. Okay, like that. Move it up. S, let's go inwards a bit. Okay, wait, no. Wait, okay, there we go. Alt S again, move it in till about here. And now let's just click rotate, and what am I doing? Okay, wait, we can't do this way. Wait, let me change this. Go back, click, move it up like that. Okay, this is better. Okay, like this. So let's select this face here. So just move it to about there and click E to extrude. Move it up a tiny bit like that, and click Alt S, like Alt I mean, and then do Command B to do a bevel, and bevel it like that. I think it's a good amount of bevel. Yeah, this is nice. I like this bevel. It looks very nice. Select these two faces. This one. Okay, these two. Now I'll do Command B with these ones because they're not very. Actually, no, don't, because it seems to not work. And I think this is a good enough height. Let's shade auto smooth it, and let's move it down like that. So like this, like that, and like that. Don't put it in the thing. Just move it like that. Scale it up, push it up, and keep it like that. And then Shift D and put them on these two places here. Move it. Okay, put it like there. Move it up a bit, and then we're gonna rotate it like that. So this is nice, yeah. So these two pans are going to be our simple pans. Those are going to be the only ones on there. And okay, so our next detail will actually be, let's see, let me think it through. Let's look around. I think what we're going to do is we're going to make a let me look over here. Actually, no. Can I tell you something? Believe it or not, we are moving on. Oh, wait a minute. I just realized. If you can probably already guess it, what we need is we need to duplicate this first. Well, just duplicate this. I'll tell you where I'm going now, okay? Let me just move it like that on here. I'll tell you where I'm going. We need to make a knife and a chopping board, because that's where they make all the sushi on. It would be weird without a chopping board, so let's move it up. And like this, and like this. Scale down, scale it down, and I singing. Why am I singing? Okay, let's just move it like this. Scale it. I think that's a good thickness. So it doesn't look like it's a chopping board that literally gets chopped in half. Literal chopped board instead of a chopping board. It's a chopped board. Like that. Yeah, that's a good size. And then what we're going to do, we're going to go into edit mode, do Command B to slightly bevel it by the corners. And yep, go back out of edit mode. Then we're going to move it over here. Wait, just a bit more over here and a bit more over there, so it's in the middle. And then we're going to make a knife. By doing that, we're going to use a cylinder, just like that. Move it up. So if these are details that you can't really see, it's still there. It's still something you can think about. Okay, wait, what have I done? What have I done to the world? What have we done? Okay, there we go. Now scale it to the side, like this. Scale it to the sky. Scale to the side, and scale to the side. Okay, I'm singing again. Need to stop the singing. Stop the singing. I'm again singing. Tell me why I'm singing. Explanation, please. Okay, I need to really stop. It's already getting on my own nerves now. Okay, let's do Command B here. So just extrude it and to about here. And same at the bottom bit here, just a bit more maybe. Like a bit more. Yeah, like that. Okay, that's a lot more. I think it looks good though. Okay, shade auto smooth. Looks nicer as well again. Okay. Okay, what we need to do is add the blade, obviously. I want to make it look like a nice blade, so I'm going to add a cube, like this, and like that. We're going to move it over. move it up and over here, up again, just trying to line it up with this, just like that. Scale it down, try and keep it a width that's specific, try and move it to the side a little bit, try and make it look like a pretty thick blade, try and level it in the middle. I think that's a good sized blade. Let's just select this face, scale it in a bit, in very much, make it very sharp, like that. Now let's look to the side, and let's click E2 and then scale it in a bit the whole time. Scale it in while we E to extrude it up, like that. And then we're going to click E, S, E, S as our final one. And now from here we're going to do Command B. Command B. Okay, like that. Now let's do it on this corner here. Go into Edge Select, click this corner here, do Command B, and try and level it out. Command B again to level it out. Same on this side, honestly. I feel like it might look better with a little bit of a Command B. A little bit of Command B, you know. If you know the saying, a little bit of Command B by JJ. Okay, so let's go. This is a good knife. Maybe scale it in a bit more to make it. No, actually, I wouldn't do that. The only thing I would do is move this up, but wait, I could do that actually. That would work. It would work. Okay, wait. Wait a minute. There we go. Move this over here. And select this edge. Move it over here. Select this edge and move it over here. Okay, so this is like correctly. Okay, wait, let's put it, scale in, look in, and select this edge. And don't make it into an edge, just make it into a straight, like this. Okay, this looks very nice, I think. Sort of. Yeah, not very nice, but it's fine. Let's just select this last corner here. Select it. Come on, let me select it. I know it's so thin. Just, okay, there we go. Command B. And just do it all the way to the top, just like that. Amazing. This is great. Let's select these two. Make sure to select the handle foot last and select and push it together. And move it over here. Scale it down a lot. Like loads, because we cannot have it as big as it is right now. It is ridiculously big, obviously, as you can see. And I'm going to put one knife in the actual, in the actual thing. I'm going to have to scale it up again a bit more again, because I didn't do it now. Okay, wait, do RX 180, like that. Okay, wait, this is good. Okay, it looks like it's just a knife sticking out of a thing, like that. Okay, this is a good, I think a good size. Pretty good size, about. Okay, wait. Okay, let's look at that. Okay, this is nice, very nice. Very good, very nice. Very good, very nice. Let's move this over here. And move this one about here. Then let's rotate it till about now let's rotate it like this so that it's flatter, like that, and just rotate it down a bit more. Okay, Mario. Pizzeria, I want sushi. Lovely little sushi. I love sushi. It's very good food. Lots of people don't enjoy it. I don't know why. It's just people's taste don't really like it. But yeah, I do. I'm not one of those who does not like sushi. I think it's very nice. I like it. The rice is very juicy and sweet. I like sweet rice. It's nice. If I would had some time to make sushi rolls, I would, but it's a bit ridiculous, honestly. So let's keep it like that. Okay, wait. I think we're done with details. Now comes the big part where we're going to add colors. So this will take me very long. Luckily, isn't as laggy as I thought it would get. I actually find it's very opposite of laggy. I think it's very good. It's a bit laggy, slightly, you can see. Yeah. So what we're going to do is we're going to put colors on everything. I'm going to show you the simple way to add colors. First, we're going to this mode here and click on these objects. These ones here. Let's start with the lamp. So go into edit mode on the lamp. So make sure you have this bit of lamp selected. And wait, this is the part where I need to delete all the other lamps. So basically select all these other lamps here and delete them. I'll explain to you why later, you'll see. So just delete all these, click X, delete. Doesn't matter, we can still duplicate and put them back where they were. Just make sure you've selected this. Now add a color. We're going to add a black color for the reason that it's a very common color. So yeah, let's add a black color. So go here, make sure you have add, and then just move this thingy down to the bottom like that and keep it like this. And now select these 4 faces, that one, this one, and that one. Then click add here and then do a new one, then do yellow, click assign, and then go out of edit mode. And then we have this color here like this. See how it's this lamp color is meant to be yellow? We can make it more orangey, but we don't need to. And by doing that, selecting these 4 faces and clicking assign, which is usually there, it will, here this button, it'll add that specific extra color that you selected onto those faces that you selected. It only works in face select for obvious reasons, but yeah. Okay, yeah. Okay, so do black on this top one as well. Then just duplicate it again. So put it back where it was before. Just select this, move into the corner, rotate it, click R, Z, 270. Oh, 70. There we go. And then push it over here. And push it into the wall a bit more. Slightly more to the wall, you know, for it to be more wally. Okay, there we go. Okay, this is good. And make sure you've done that with the colors. Then I'm just gonna duplicate all these, and yeah, see you then after I've colored our object. I'm just gonna speed this part up because otherwise you'll have to watch me for 90 years. And I don't think anyone wants to just watch me modeling for ages, just adding my own favorite colors, because in this part, what I want to say is you can color it all by yourself. So add any color you want, go into this little thingy here, and you can drag it to change all the colors. Oh, I'm not going to change the color now, I just have. Brilliant, it doesn't matter. It really doesn't, honestly. Just change this color however you want. Just add it like this, and yeah, see you there. well, look at that. So we have everything colored, and yeah, look at it. I think everything looks pretty good. Soda machine, little screen there then, and the cook looks pretty nice, and yeah, and alright. So yeah, if you got the same thing as me, well done. I like it a lot. I made like these red kind of chairs, slightly pink. It's not a big problem. I can literally just change them like on the spot, just make them a bit more darker red, or just make them a bit darker so make them look more velvety, like that. So yeah, that looks pretty good. I think I'm also gonna make this color a tiny bit darker. It's a bit of a no, it doesn't blend in. It blends in too much. We can just turn it down a little bit. So, okay, look at that. I think it looks really nice. Now, for the final detail, this is literally just the final detail. Go into render mode by clicking this. And by going into top view, we're going to click add. Then we're going to click, not image, light. And we'll point. And then we're going to move it out here. And we're just going to turn the watt up a lot. Like a lot. Let me just look. See what it's doing. Yeah, this is a good brightness. I like it. What we're gonna do is give it a color. I think I'm gonna give it this warm, sort of orangey color, like this. Then what I'm gonna do, go into top view, then Shift D, move it over here, like this, Shift D, move it over here, just like that, Shift D, move it over here, Shift D, move it over here, a bit more over there maybe, just like that, and Shift D again, and move it over here, just like that. So we have these lightings. Wait, this is actually pretty good. Yeah, it's pretty good, I like it. I'm going to select this light and that light here, and I'm going to Shift D to move it up, and then I'm going to move it down slightly, for the reason that the plant pots have a little bit of light, so that they have a bit. I'm going to turn it down a little bit. Alright, let me just turn it down slightly, right here. Okay, there we go, so turn it down. Wait, does this work now? Can it work for me? Will you work? Oh wait, it's working. It's good, it's good, it's good. Turn it down to about here. And then, wait, I think what I'm gonna do for fun is by moving this over here. Wait, what? Oh, wait, that's wrong. Okay, it's getting a bit laggy now. Well, a bit, very laggy, because of how much stuff we put there. Okay, one last light, so we're going to select this one, Shift D, and move it right inside of, oh, no, okay, we're going to move it right inside of here, just in there, okay, like this, very nice. Oh, it's going a bit slow, everything's very laggy. There we go, we finally got it. Okay, everything's good lighting in here. So, wow. Oh my god, this actually turned out better than I thought it would. So this is our little scene that I wanted. I'm just going to select these two lights here, Shift D, just move them. And then what we're going to do is we're going to move them over here to brighten up these plant pots. Again, Shift D, just move them a bit more maybe. Okay, maybe this one a bit more. Select this one, then move it over here slightly, over there. Okay, this is insanely laggy, so it's almost highly impossible to do anything. This is just the last tiny detail. Okay, like this, done. Now select off everything, just select into the void, And look at that. This is our scene, everybody. Wow, it actually looks really nice. I think this is like a nice little buffet. What I am gonna do, oh sorry, probably a bang. Okay, what I'm gonna do, I'm going to try to make it that it looks a bit better by moving it here. Okay, this is like too laggy to handle. Okay, I'm gonna try to keep the photos in like that. And then what I'm gonna do, well, it's kind of useless, Shift D this one more time. And then, okay, there we go. Okay, wait, this is taking too long now. And add one more light over here. Like this. I think, honestly, that's good for now. Okay, wow. I like this scene a lot because it does capture the element very well. I can change it, I find, just because the vending machine stuff are back here. But, the final detail, let's just move it. Just look this way. This is all we have to do. This is it. Okay, let's do that. And brilliant. This is our lovely little night Chinese buffet. Well, Chinese restaurant, you could say, or food stand. And, yeah. This looks pretty good. I think this looks better this way. Yep. Okay, so. Wait, one last detail. That's a bit too high. Okay, there we go. Final detail, that's what we're going to leave it at. Don't change it. Okay, Jensen? Okay, don't change it. Okay, JJ, don't change it. Okay, let's go. So, well done for following along. This was very fun. The shadow's a bit weird, but it's fine. We don't need to change it. It's not a big deal. But our street buffet is complete. I think it looks very good. This is our, it's just a lovely little scene, you know, it's cute. There's lots to it. There's lots that you can't even see that's there. This is a 3D house. This is our 3D Chinese food stand. This is what I'll be calling it in my video. I find it looks very nice. Very delicate, very, very nice. Yeah. Wow. I can't believe I've made it this far. This is really like a big thing for me because I've never made such a house before with such detail, everything. And yeah. Alright, I need to end the video now. It's been long enough. And yeah. Alright, nice. I hope you had fun following along. This was very much fun. I hope you enjoyed lighting it as well to make it into a night Chinese food stand. And yeah. Alright, instead of yeah, okay. Okay, I'll say bye now. Thanks for watching the video and see you in the next one.